Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. This is a Porsche Macan that we took everything apart. So you can see it's all back together now. I've just got the actual AdBlue line, which is this one here. Yeah, the injector's done already, but the actual AdBlue line was damaged as well because it's a common problem on this diesel. So that's all back in now. We had to double check everything today. All the bolts at the front. And to make sure it is tight, and it was holding pressure after about 20 psi. I pumped it up to, was holding for a bit. So now when it's hot, we'll double check the level again tomorrow when it's cold, and then from there do a full diagnostic scan, run it again until it's hot again, double check from underneath the car, and then make sure everything's fine, 100% good, and then we'll put the covers on and then bring the customer to come pick it up. That's the AdBlue line there. See that one there? That black one there. That's it. So yeah, getting very close for tomorrow, so we'll go to double check it again tomorrow, make sure everything's fine. Just finished washing all the AdBlue from underneath as well. If you look underneath here, see? All the AdBlue's off. Alright, we'll double check that in the morning and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.